Welcome back to a new vlog. If you guys are new here, my name is Tiffany. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe because you're gonna love it over here. And to my return subscribers, hey fam, welcome back to a new vlog. Guys, it is 2026. I know I have not vlogged in a long time. We have so much to catch up on. Between ministry, life update, all that jazz. I think the last time I vlogged was maybe November, or October, November. That's the last time I uploaded a vlog, and so much has happened in that time frame. But I'm just on here just to tell you guys, hey, happy new year 2026. It's gonna be a good year for everyone that's under the sound of my voice. We're gonna have a good year this year. You know, we all had some ups and downs in 2025 was a year of a lot. It was a lot, but we made it. Today is January 3rd, Saturday. Excuse the lighting. I'm driving. I'm on my way to my sister's place. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and introduce myself and say hey to you guys. Happy New Year. I am gonna do a little sit down so we can do a little chit chat. Also, I'm probably gonna incorporate some things that I did film around the end of last year, so you guys can see some stuff I cooked for Thanksgiving. I made some pies. What else did I don't even know. Christmas. My brother and his girlfriend host Christmas at their place. I got some of that footage on there. I don't have anything from Christmas Day, which was we went by my cousin's house because she purchased a home. I didn't film over there, so I was at this moment, I was just living in the moment, guys. I was just living in the moment, and also I was like, you know what, I really don't have anything to film. If I sound kind of off, I am trying to get over a cold. I think it's sinuses because my nose itch and I feel like it's draining to my throat, so I have to clear my throat, all that stuff. So that's why. Oh my gosh, how do I hold on, y'all? Yeah, my camera was acting kind of crazy, but that's why I sound kind of off right now. I'm doing my niece some box braids today, so I'm going over there to do that. Y'all, I made me some chicken noodle soup yesterday. Oh, and it was spicy. It was so good. This is my first time making some chicken noodle soup from scratch, and it's so easy to do. And I'm not buying no canned chicken noodle soup. I'm gonna make my chicken noodle soup from scratch and with love. Period. Okay. Yeah. I will talk to you guys once I get to my sister's house and we start doing my niece's hair. So, y'all.
We'll be matching together, but they said the ship, so I was like, if I'm being completely honest, workout set, and I don't get members only. Yes, thank you very, very much. Fragrance that you love, but your partner doesn't like it. My hairstyle that I'm doing, I think that is like super dark. Oh, so I picked that up. I also picked, so I was like, hey, do you guys have any more of these in the back for you? So I was like, calling. And the lady's like, so it's cash only, right? And I'm like, you asking me? I'm at the front door that we're only doing cash right now. I think something was wrong with it. You need to tell people it's cash only at the door. I'm like, I was like, don't worry about it. I have to drive an hour and a half. Sorry, not an hour and a half. It's like 50 minutes. Way too late. I'm going to be scrambling. Today's Friday. Saturday and Sunday I'm busy, so I can't shop. And then Monday I'm getting my hair done. And then today was a fail. Extreme.
This is the backyard, y'all. You wanna go back? We're going back to the front, y'all. Is that? No. These are the arms. Oh, it fell. You think that's funny? That's the snowman, y'all. So y'all, I am driving home in the snow. I feel like the lady off of Why Did I Get Married? I'm going to the mountain to save my marriage. I'm taking my time, really, but this is how it's looking on the roads. Look. Hey y'all, happy Monday. Today is January, I don't know what today is. Let me get January 26th. And I just made it back home from, well, I haven't just made it back home, but I'm home from driving from by my sister's house. I've been over there for like 4 days. I was ready to come home. So that's what I did. But yes, guys, I came home. I kind of did a little straighten up, but not really. I need to clean this off. But what can I talk to you guys about? Y'all, we're off today and we're off tomorrow. They close work down because we go by the school district out here. So that's why we close. Let me show you guys my Bible study book that I made. I'm gonna show you guys. Well, it says prayer binder, but it's actually my Bible study binder. I got the binder from my job, but I printed this out at my job. I found like a little template searched it through Google, and I did a Bible study plan. ChatGPT had created me one. It's called From Egypt to Presence, and it's a 30-day Bible study through Exodus. It's about leadership, letting go of idolization, trusting God in the now. So that's what it is. And so far I have completed I think we're 2 weeks now. But this is how it's looking. Let me lower the camera. Okay, there we go. So this is how it is. I do the soap method. Well, it's not really, this is not the soap method. This is, so each day, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna move it to right here. Alright. I probably can flip it. Bring it down some more. Probably can. But yeah, each day it has like a topic, and then I have to read, and then you have a reflection. So I just basically read and reply to like the reflection question. And then I think 2 days I did my own Bible study. See, I did a Bible study on scripture, Matthew 9:17. I did that because I don't know, that just spoke to me. And then yeah, and then I watched a sermon, and this was by Robert Madu, and he spoke at Life Church, but I think he's with Social Dallas. I think he's a preacher of Social Dallas out here, I believe so. And what he was speaking about at Life Church was believing God for mighty things, and this was on Luke chapter 1 and verse 137. Luke 1:37. Nothing is impossible for God. And so that was a Bible study for that. That goes with that as well. And this is another week that I completed. And I did a Bible study. I did a Bible study regarding Genesis and regarding Rebecca and Isaac. This was so good. So good. And this is where I'm at right now. I think I did a Bible study this week. 24. Well, I missed a couple of days. Yeah, we're almost finished, guys. Yeah, because this is where we're at right now. So yeah, I missed like 3 days, so I have to go today and complete my 3 days. So yeah, but this is my Bible study. I already have February lined up, and since February is about love, we're going to be rooted in love for 28 days Bible study on loving God, yourself, others, and romance. That's what it's about. So yeah, and I just have to make one for March. Yes, this is going to be my Bible study book. So yeah, that's my Bible study book. I'm really enjoying it. And then I am being discipled, guys. I am being discipled, and we have our first meeting this Wednesday. I'm not going to record it or anything like that. I have printed out all the things that she gave to us. I'm being discipled by my first lady at my church. She welcomed me in the singles discipleship group that she has. So I'm excited to participate in that. So I'm going to be going over this later on today as well. But yes, I will get back with you guys shortly after I kind of pick up, so I can go ahead and do this update with you guys. I will talk to you guys later. I'm so happy to be back, y'all. I have been out for about what I would say 3 months now, because this video probably won't go up until I don't know when it's gonna go up, but when it go up, it's probably February will be right around the corner. So we're here. I know, guys, it's just been so much going on in my life since the last time I uploaded a video, which was the end of November, because I know I ended the vlog off with the women's conference at my church. So I'm just here to update you guys on everything that has been going on. I have my phone, so if I'm looking down, I wrote out like a little message. So we're just gonna flow with things. Right now, this is a snowstorm that we're in, so I was like, why not sit down and update you guys? So we're doing an update, okay? This is the haircut. I'm still rocking a shortcut, guys. That's another thing I want to give you guys an update with. So I've been having this haircut since August of last year. So it's what, August, September, October, November, December, January. It's been 5 months, and I have a love-hate relationship with this haircut. Like, when I first got the haircut, I was loving it, but I was gonna grow my hair back, but I was like, I really haven't gave it a try. So I'm gonna give it another try and and see if I can own this haircut and make it be me, because I really don't feel confident with it, and that's just me. I'm being honest, I'm being truthful. I don't feel confident. This season that's what I am going to be focusing on, is regaining my confidence, going to the gym. It's I feel like it's a me, y'all. It's me. I need to gain discipline. I need to gain just get out of my own way and do things and not stop. So it's a me, y'all. It's a me problem, and we're gonna fix it this year. We're at the end of January. You know, my new month is starting in February, okay? So yeah, that's what's been going on in that area. Also, a life update. I'm growing. It's slow, but I'm still growing. It's uncomfortable. Nonetheless, I'm still growing, guys. I feel like this is a season where I really need to lean in and trust in God, and know that those promises that He promised us in His Word is for me as well. Not for other people. It's also for me. Ministry wise, guys, ministry took me on a roller coaster last semester. Okay, I started off as leading in our event section of the women's ministry, right? Y'all, I don't know, I feel like things was brought up within me that really needed to be worked on, and God highlighted that to me, and I know I need to work on those things. I really need to like give it to Him and let Him know, like, hey God, this is what I'm struggling with. You know, growing up until now, guys, to be honest, I never really wanted to be like, hey, I wanted to be the leader of the project. I didn't want that responsibility. And it's so funny that I was put in a position to become a leader and to be over people, because that is very hard. People do not reply. People do not. It's like hard working with people, because you're not going to get what you're looking for. You just have to keep on going, and that's what I'm still learning right now. And so again, I was put in a leadership role, and it didn't turn out well. It didn't turn out well. It's not bad, but it just didn't turn out well. But the thing is, they didn't set me up where I would be able to flourish. And then so we had an evaluation, and I was ready to step down and just be a volunteer, because it was just too much, and I felt like I was not able to bring in my creativity, right? So we had our evaluation, and I did bring all my feelings to the table, but the leadership that I'm under, I'm really appreciative of her, and she gave me some advice, and so she sent me some help. So I'm no longer the lead. I'm like a co-lead, and this other young lady, which is over another department in the women's ministry, she's leading 2 departments. So she's leading the department that I was over last semester and another department. So I'm still struggling, guys. I'm still struggling, and this is me being honest. I'm not sure if people from church watch my video, but this is me being very honest and very transparent. I'm still struggling with the transition, you know, because I feel like I kind of messed up, and so I feel like it was taken away. I was never, because you guys, I feel like you guys didn't set it up to where I can succeed, but since she came in and started leading, they have it set up for her where she can lead with excellence. And how things are going right now, I am just like, I don't know if it could be a complaining spirit. I don't know what it can be, but I just feel like, I know you're leading another department, but I am here to assist you with things. You are the lead. So why, I don't know, maybe it could be in my mind. For example, it's like messages that we have to send in group me or things like that. It's like, okay, you sending that out to your other department, you could also fix one up for our department. And then also another thing is like, okay, I know how to send a message, so I have to send every message that I send, I have to send it over to her so she can approve of it. So why am I sending it? That's another thing. So I don't know, that could be a me thing also, but I just have to continue to pray, because I don't know, it's just, I'm really not feeling it, and I don't know, it's just been irritating me thus far. And every day I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try not to get mad. I'm not gonna try not to be overwhelmed. I'm gonna try not to be having an attitude about anything like that. I feel like if my heart is not in it, I don't want to continue to be in the ministry if I'm not happy about where I'm at, if that makes sense. So ministry, it's I'm like this with ministry. It's very hard. It is very hard. And I just have to continue to pray about being in ministry right now. So that's where I'm at with ministry. It's very challenging. It's challenging. To me, it's very challenging at the moment. In the beginning, I was very excited because I felt like I was seen. Also, with content and uploads, my content, I don't want things to be forced. So this is my everyday life. I don't have much going on. I'm always at church. This year is a journey of working on me and really challenging myself. This is an update. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for staying here, subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, commenting on my videos. So let's go on this journey together with rebuilding our lives, learning how to fully surrender to God's will for our lives. So enjoy the vlog. Vlog is going to be a mixture of everything that I have not uploaded since I stopped vlogging. So just bear with this vlog so we can just go ahead on and catch up. So enjoy this vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Good morning, everybody. I look a mess. Today is February 14th. Today is Valentine's Day. I decided to get out and go to the thrift store and do a little shoppy shop because there's some things that I have been wanting. Some things I have been wanting from the thrift store. So I made a list, and also have to get some things for tonight so I can be prepared for the gathering. So my thrift store list is I want like a jean shirt, oversized jean shirt. I want a pink button down, blue button down, brown button down, oversized blazer. I need some jeans, y'all. I need some jeans. I need some type of bottoms, and mainly that's the things that I want to get. So I have my peppermint tea with a little bit of honey inside. All right, so let's head to the thrift store, and I also need to stop at my store, the Dollar Tree. It is raining here in Dallas, so look at this. And then also I actually had something to wear for tonight that I didn't even think of. But I got like a oversized white long sleeve shirt, but it's scrunched up by the waist. So I would need some high-waisted jeans. And I don't have any like high-waisted jeans. So I just have to look through my closet and see what jeans that I do have, because I would need some ultra high-waisted jeans probably to go with that. Since it's raining, the outfit that's in my closet, the pants are extra long and I don't want them to get dirty. So I might not opt out for that option. But it's a two-piece set. It's what I wore to our singles conference last year. That hot pink two-piece set. So I was like, oh, I have that, but now it's raining outside, so I'm not gonna wear that. I could wear the top with some jeans or something, like I did when I went out to eat with my friend Linda. So I might do that option with some heels. So yeah, that's probably what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go into the Dollar Tree because I want to see if they have some like a heart shape cookie cutter type of thing because I want to make some Rice Krispie treats in the shape of a heart. So if they don't have it, then I'm just going to do the long way, the regular way. So yeah, that's what we're going to go to the Dollar Tree for. And you know, Pop Shelf might have something, but I don't feel like going all the way on the end. I don't know. Let's wrap this up, and I'll talk to you guys either when I get to the Dollar Tree or when I get to the thrift store. So talk to y'all later. Sorry y'all, I did not vlog in there, but I just got shirts. That's about it. That's it, that's all. It is storming, y'all. It is storming outside. Next spot, I need to get the Rice Krispies and the marshmallows. So let's see. I want something to eat. I'm hungry. I haven't ate anything, and I don't think I have anything at home to eat. So I need to get something to eat as well. I may just do my cause I got cucumber. I need to do the cucumber. I got tomatoes and I got the onion. I need to use that up. So I think I'm gonna make some more of my Mediterranean salad, and I think I'm gonna do some wings. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I need to go to, either we can stop at Target, or I really don't want to stop at Walmart. I don't want to get no meat from Walmart. I don't. The door is soaking wet. I don't want to get any meat from Walmart. So, and then Walmart parking lot is a hot mess. So I'm trying to think, like, where can I go? I have my umbrella as well, so. But I got the blue shirt. I got this color shirt. I got a pink shirt that I've been looking for, and I got a burgundy shirt as well. And everything came up to be $13.12. I saved $7.84. So, plus I had a $25% coupon that I used. So anything to save. So let's hurry up and go. Oh, this is the tray that I bought from the Dollar Tree. Oh, y'all, forgot to get dishwashing liquids. I could get it from Walmart. I'll get it from Walmart, or wherever I go, Walmart or Target. I'm just gonna sit here for a while. I don't know, but I will talk to you guys later. I have to find my cell phone. Alright guys, we made it home from that rain. And I'll show y'all my sushi. Ooh, we about to eat some of this. And I'm being a big back, and I got Kane's kids meal. It's all apart, and I don't like that. Alright, so I'm about to eat, and I will get back with you guys when I start making the Rice Krispie treats. It's 1:38 right now, so yeah, I'm kind of tired. I don't know, but I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, so I'm about to start on the Rice Krispie treats. I got the Rice Krispies. I got the marshmallows. And I have the food coloring. I got this one because I'm doing I want to do red, pink, and the regular color, and the red will work really, really good. And I also got me some flowers. So let's get started on the Rice Krispie treats, and then we'll cut these up and put them in a vase. So be right back.
Those situations as we gotta figure out a way this one that can put your best self. I willingly allowed someone in my life who was the opposite of me and is better than no man. So you just settle. So many of us are programmed in that way, especially because it was an age thing. I was so wrapped into a timeline. I was 30 and still be single, so the fear of the unknown, of the pain and the suffering that you are in my life, I would not have allowed. And that's when you really, really, really have to look at the truth. Does it match who I am now? Forget where I'm going. Treatment. If she's allowing herself to stay in relationships that don't serve her, maybe we do need to focus on what would the more elevated version of me want, and does this affect you as the woman? And for me, I was heavily, heavily, heavily affected. That affected me. And that birthed the non-negotiable third attempt. Because you know, Chad, I tried to go and that man was like, tell his own it's time. The life we live in. That's what I was teaching people to. But once I started doing something about it, of course you need, but all I got.
All right, here is the completed tray. I didn't have to make that many. So 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 in here. The leftover.
I never understand you, and
Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know.
yeah, but
Time to pull a drop top out. We've been keeping it in the house. Didn't want to.
So pretty with my
Dessert!
pasta.
Oh yeah, we still have dessert. Carmen, yours turned out really nice.
I actually am really happy with.
I want one of everything.
Yeah, this is kind of like, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. Just getting back inside. I went to church. I had to run some errands, and I went by my sister's house and watched like 2 to 3 episodes of Love is Blind. I was bored. I was very much bored. I do believe so far one couple got engaged. That's how far I got in Love is Blind, but I was very much bored. But so far one couple got engaged. I really don't think, I think they were cute. It was a biracial couple. I say biracial. It was a what you call that? Yeah, biracial couple. I think they're really gonna do good, but I heard that they won't be like on the rest of the show when everyone else go off to like the honeymoon. And I feel like Love is Blind is messy, and they don't like the highlight of the good people. They just want mess. So I just stopped watching it because I was bored. But I am back home, and I want to tidy up my place because my place is all over, my house is all over the place, which is like all the time, y'all. And I don't know, I didn't do meal prep today. I stopped and got Chipotle. Afterwards, I just ate half of my bowl, and I'm gonna save the rest for lunch tomorrow. And yes, so we're going to clean up. And while I clean up, we're going to watch a yeah, fruit flies. Oh, I need to hurry up and do my limes. Yeah, we got to cut these up and use these before they go bad. But yes, guys, I don't know what else. I told y'all I bought me some flowers. They're so cute. But let me show y'all what I wore to church today. It was a really cute outfit. I'm not a pink girl, but I did wear pink. today. Can you come down? Let's see. Exit. Oh no. Start. Alright. So this is the outfit. Excuse the bag. That's the bag from thrift store. But this pink button-down shirt with some jeans that I got from Kohl's and my tan New Balance shoes. Again, nothing spectacular, okay? But I'll get back to you guys later. I'm about to change my clothes and start cleaning up, and I'll come back. All right, good morning, guys. I haven't talked to you guys in a while. I'm on my way to church because we're having a women's ministry event. You guys probably know I used to do this at the end of last year a lot, and my niece used to be with me. So we're going to our first event for 2026. I was supposed to be there by 7:30. It is, I don't know what time it is right now, probably 7:40. Don't know. I don't know. I did, so we're giving out snacks. So I have the popcorn. I don't even think I was showing you guys. I don't think I showed you guys last night. I started to, but I didn't. So this is my first time wearing this hat. I like it. And I just have on like a tan bodysuit, an oversized tan button-down shirt, some jeans, and my tan New Balance. One of my go-to shoes. I need to buy some more shoes, but anyways, how have y'all been? What's been going on, guys? I really can't wait to get in the rhythm of being back to vlogging, y'all. When I tell y'all I've been immersed in church volunteering that I haven't had time for myself. I haven't had time to vlog with you guys. I haven't been hanging out with friends. It's just been church, work. Church has become work. Yes, it has. I really have been spending time with my family as well. Like, yeah. That is something that I want to do a sit-down video and talk to you guys about, because right now I feel like I'm in a pull and tug, a struggle of personal life and serving. So I think I want to do a sit-down video. Maybe it could be in a podcast, because I want to bring that back. But I'm almost at church. I will probably record some stuff so it can probably be in a vlog. My vlogs that I'm gonna be putting out, it's probably gonna be choppy. It's probably gonna be chopped and screwed. But you guys just bear with me so we can get back in order with a new uploading day. Probably gonna stay the same because how my work days are. So yes, it's probably gonna be the same. Probably gonna be uploading on Sundays or Monday. I don't know. I'll think about that. But I don't know when I'm actually coming back, like for real, until I kind of sort some things out on the back end. So yes, y'all enjoy y'all Saturday. See you guys at the event. Y'all say come up everywhere. Say hey. Hi. Are you feeling better? Say hi.
Say hi. But we get back up with me. You fall down sometimes, but we get back up with me.